In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall KCB Mobile app from your smartphone. So if you no longer need this KCB Mobile app, the best thing to do is to remove it. To do this is pretty simple. Just go to your apps and find your KCB Mobile app. Mine is here. To uninstall it, just long press on it, and now you should see this option to uninstall. If you just tap on uninstall, this will remove this app together with its files from your phone. However, if you don't have this option, then look for this app info sign here or name or a settings gear. This will take you to the KCB app information page. From here, you can also see we have an option to uninstall it from here. So for my case, I'll use the first method. So I'll just long press on the app and uninstall. And if I confirm, now that is it. The app has been uninstalled from my phone. So that's how you can permanently uninstall KCB mobile app from your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.